These are the only products you'll be needing for a full face makeup if you are just starting out as a beginner. You don't want to spend money on makeup products that don't work for you. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosental and I am a professional makeup artist and makeup tutor. I'll be sharing the estimate price range you can get all of these products for at the end of this video. So you definitely want to stay to the end if you are looking to stay on a budget. So this is an empty makeup bag because we'll be building our makeup kit together. We always want to start off on a clean base. So for the skin prep category, I'll be starting off with wipes. This is Angel wipes to clean the face. If maybe you have not had your bath yet, or you had your bath a long time ago, whatever. Angel wipes. After that, a moisturizer. I'd recommend the simple moisturizer because it doesn't have as much active ingredients. It is a safe moisturizer and you can use it for all skin types. So whether you have a combination dry, oily, sensitive, this moisturizer will do the job. Now when it comes to primer is based off on your skin type. So if you have an oily to combination skin like myself, I use the Rimmel Matte primer. But if you have a very dry skin and you want a primer that can also work for your skin, I would recommend the Missmetics Aqua Grip Primer. Just take that into the empty bag. For foundation, there are different ranges of foundations that you can go for. There's the Avor, this one, Blossom, Zikel, V-Beauty. You know, there are many ranges, many good ones. One tip I want to let you know is that if you have problem choosing or getting your exact foundation shade, go for a shade that is a bit darker than your actual shade. That brings me to a concealer. You know, when you are concealing, you are always going to use a shade lighter, 2 shades lighter, 3 shades lighter, depending on the kind of look you want to go for, the kind of look you like. By the time you get a concealer that is a tad bit lighter than your shade, and you pair it up with a foundation that you got that is a bit darker than your shade, you are able to color correct. Everything marries together well, okay? It's not looking too harsh, too dark, too light. Do you understand me? So that's why I said go for a foundation that is darker than your shade if you are having trouble finding your perfect foundation shade. If you are having trouble finding it. So we are building our kits. I'm going to add that to the collection. Just like this. I'm not talking about for makeup artists, so if you are a makeup artist, you know the drill, you will get everything. I have other shades available here, but I'm stacking up for personal makeup kits. Let me put it that way. It skipped my mind to mention that the Nuban concealer was what I was holding. Nuban Beauty Concealer. That concealer is Chef Kiss. But other concealers that are also good is the Avoid Concealer, Younger Beauty. Oh my god, Younger Beauty. It might be a bit pricey, but it's worth it. For brushes, this is the only brush, in fact even less, that I used to achieve this particular look I have on. If you're just starting out and you're looking for a brush set or confused about a brush set to get, you can check out the Real Technique brush set. It comes with brushes and beauty blend. There are different ranges of good brushes. Avor is one as well. Vicabel is one. These are their brushes I've used for almost 4 years now. I also have a beauty blender. This is from Merak. I don't know, I think they have discontinued. I really like their beauty blender, but there are also good brands like Wink Beauty Blender. There's Younger Beauty Blender. All products will be in the description below, so you can also check that if you missed it out on the video. So it's my beauty blender and then my brushes. We are building our makeup kits. If you are with me, comment makeup. Don't forget to subscribe if you have come this far and you are enjoying the video and you also found it helpful. Subscribe and like this video. Okay, moving on is powder. So I have the compact powder. I also have setting powder. The major difference is that this is loose and then this is like together. Right? Sure, that's how they say it, like it's compact. Because I'm a makeup artist, that's why I'm holding a palette too. If you're looking to build your personal kit, you can just get one of these. The V Beauty, they have the different shades in single compact powder forms. There's also Avor, which is very good as well. So you know, depending on what you like and the brand you are going for. So yeah, this is Merak. I think they have discontinued. I really like their products again. But good ones is Nuban. Nubian Beauty setting powders is very good. So you go for a lighter shade, like we said, with contour. For the brow category, we're starting off with the Browmatic by Dammel. As to this is the colorless one, and then there's also another dark one. Depending on, maybe if you're very dark, you can go for the one that's dark. I use this because it works for all shade types for me. This is to help you put your brows in place. It is very, very essential. Brow tamer, it changes your brow game from it takes it up from 50 to 100. This brow pencil is an OG. If you don't already know, this is the Davies brow pencil, and this is in shade 18. Some people you might have come across, they use brow gel. This is brow gel. This is carrot brow gel, and it comes in a 2-in-1. It is affordable as well. This is the black, and then there's a brown. If you like to draw your waterline as well, I didn't do mine here, but if you like, you can also use the carrot gel. It is black, to outline your eyes so it pops more. So most people use the brown to draw or outline. I use the brown sometimes as a makeup artist, but that's what I'm saying, as a makeup artist. If you are looking to build your personal kits and you are a beginner, this will be easier for you to draw your brows, easier for you to learn your brows, and faster as well. But if you're a makeup artist that's looking to improve your skill, you can also get the carrot brow gel. Then for eyeshadow, I have this Blossom Nude Story. This is chef kiss. If you don't have an eyeshadow palette and you're confused on which one to get this. Now it has 3 different compartments. You can use this eyeshadow palette for eyeshadow, for blush, for contour, for highlighting. Multi-purpose. I said what I said. You can use it. Are you seeing the shades here? We have matte shades. There are shimmery shades in it as well for highlighting. So it is very good and very versatile. If you are looking for something that will work well for you, this would slap. I think it's affordable as well. I think it retails for about 10,000 naira now. Then I have the Mega Impact Kiss Beauty Mascara for my eyes. This is what I use in this video. So it's very good as well and affordable. For the finishing look, this is a fixing spray, setting spray. So if you have money, you could also get this. But if you're looking to, or if you're on a budget, just get this. This will work very well as well for you. Like I said, all these products I am recommending are products that I just use on my face. Not that it's far-fetched. It's what I use, and it's what works very well for myself and my clients. Lips. For the lips, this is the same Davies pencil I recommended for the brows. So this Davies pencil for outlining the lips. This is what I use for this lip combo you are seeing. And this is the gloss I use for this lip combo as well. So you don't really need too much. If you can get one and then get your absolute gloss, do what works for you. If you have the money and you want to get more and you want to, pepper everybody, get more. Do whatever works for you, my love. To the part that you might have been waiting for, our estimate price range. Estimate price range in Nigeria currency is 60,000 naira to 80,000 naira. You can get all of these products I mentioned depending on the brand, and that's why I'm giving a range. You can get it within this price range. I'll also be putting where you can get all these products in the description. Now, there's one thing I want to advise. Don't be discouraged by if you are starting out as if you want to build up your personal makeup kit. One thing I used to do then, and I still don't wait or procrastinate to have the complete money, because what's to say that when you save up that money, it will not have increased in the price market, right? So if you have 10,000, if you have 20,000, use it to get 1 or 2 things like brow pencil. Practice on your brows. Try as much as possible to build your kit little by little. That's if you don't have the money I want, but if you do, fine. So I have come to the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, don't forget to share it to somebody else as much as it was helpful to you. Also, give me a big thumbs up. I'd like to know if this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Till I see you in my next video, do take care. Bye. Mwah.